Hi guys, today I want to share with you how to install the Canopy 3 meter times 3 meter. You cut the box, you better be careful because sometimes they will put the canopy cloth on top of it, so when you cut it, it will be tearing off. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell thing. To install the canopy is pretty easy, but it's more easy if you have more people. Install the long stick before you install the cloth. In this part you cannot see the stick because I forgot to install earlier on. So you just need to cover the cloth on the stand, like how you fix your bed sheet. The stand can be adjusted to make it taller. Make sure this button go inside the slot. And same goes to the top part. Slightly push it and slot into the button. Make sure the zip tape is in correct position. For the side, you will need to tie it up to secure the canopy with the stand. Push the button and pull the stand for adjusting the height.